Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be providing you with a full guide on how to forward a group message to your status on WhatsApp. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're inside WhatsApp, locate and tap on the group where the message you want to forward is located. This will take you to the group chat. Step 3. Scroll through the chat history and find the specific message you wish to forward. Simply tap on the message to select it. Step 4. At the top of the screen, you'll see a forward icon. Tap on it to proceed with forwarding the selected message. Step 5. Now, you'll be presented with different options. Tap on My Status, and then tap the play button to share the message as your status. And there you have it. You've successfully forwarded a group message to your status on WhatsApp. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.